Why your road trips suck. weBoost Drive X signal booster makes dead zones disappear instantly. Ever been mid-road trip and suddenly, no bars? Calls drop, Spotify freezes, GPS glitches out, and you're stuck screaming at your phone like it owes you money. Sound familiar? It's frustrating, right? 1 second you're cruising with tunes, the next, your signal flatlines. Maybe it's a canyon, maybe just bad luck, but either way, you're left feeling disconnected and powerless. If you're sick of wasting time, losing focus, or being stranded without data in the middle of nowhere, you're not alone. We've all hit that wireless wall. But what if I told you it's 2025, and this nightmare actually has a fix? Now imagine your entire road trip turning into a battle zone. Crushing deadlines, endless calls, trying to navigate, while your signal's ghosting you harder than your last date. Missed texts? Check. Frozen maps? Absolutely. Unanswered calls from work? Yep. The stress hits hard, creeping up as the miles roll on. Your kids can't stream their shows, and your playlist's dead. Anxiety builds, your tech's failing, and even your hotspot's trash. It's more than annoying, it's dangerous. No connectivity means no help if something goes wrong. It's a creeping, silent burnout that kills road trip vibes before they even start. But here's the rescue mission your dashboard desperately needs. The weBoost Drive X Vehicle Cell Phone Signal Booster. This isn't some gimmick, it's hardcore tech engineered to revive your signal from the dead. Boosting calls, texts, GPS, streaming, and even your hotspot across all US carriers, Drive X reaches towers 33% farther than standard boosters. 5G ready and FCC approved, it works right out of the box with zero hassle. From magnetic roof antennas to powerful multi-device support, it's like giving your vehicle a wireless adrenaline shot. No more dropped calls. No more buffering. Just pure, uncut connectivity. Everywhere. With weBoost Drive X, your road trips transform from tech fails to flawless. Picture consistent, crystal clear calls, buttery streaming, and lightning fast data no matter where you roam. Whether you're commuting daily or tackling epic road trips, this multi-user signal booster keeps everyone connected, simply, seamlessly, and safely. Setup's easy, no tools required, and it works with every phone, every carrier. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to productivity and entertainment on the road. Ready to boost your ride? Hit play, learn why thousands swear by Drive X, and finally discover road trips that actually work. Listen up. Stocks limited. weBoost Drive X is flying off shelves faster than signal in a canyon. Don't let dead zones ruin one more trip. Thousands of drivers have already upgraded, and you're next. Buy now, before you're stuck buffering in the wilderness again. Secure your Drive X today and join America's signal-strong elite. No subscriptions, no headaches, just guaranteed connectivity or your money back. Hit that link. Don't wait. Be the hero your car deserves. Stay connected, stay safe, and win every mile. This isn't just a booster, it's a road trip revolution. Seize it.